Hi guys, review time, and today this arrived in the post. It was an eBay buy, bit of a bargain. It is a starter kit, Airfix scale 132 Triumph TR4A. As you can see, because the starter kit, it comes with all the paints you need. It comes with cement and also comes with 2 brushes, which is brilliant. So everything you need is in the kit. You will need, I would say, a pair of scissors if you need to cut the decals out, and I would suggest you also get a little bit of sandpaper or something just to sand some stuff down. But other than that, you don't need anything else with these kits. Most everything's in the box that you need. The decals are also in there as well. So yeah. People often say to me, what sort of kit should I start with? And I always say, just find a car to do. Get one of these Airfix starter kits, the car version, because you can associate yourself more to a car than, I would say, a plane. I don't think there's many people who've had the opportunity to fly in a Spitfire. If you are, you're one of the fortunate, lucky few, or even sit in one. But with a car, if you travel, you go to places in a car. So you can associate yourself with the model because you're building something that you could regularly use. All right. Lovely box art on there. Tidy looking car. As I say, the box is a bit battered because I got it as a bit of a steal on eBay. On the back is all your painting instructions. Just as a little description here about the Triumph TR4A. The TR4A was an evolution of the TR4. Updated with a new chassis. The new but more complex independent rear suspension addressed the buy-in public's desire for a more comfortable riding sports car. And in, in 1965, it would have cost around 968 quid. Crumbs. The part number for this is A50092, and I'll put a link below if you want to buy this kit. All right, so I've just opened the box just to make sure everything I need was in there, and obviously nothing else. So there's just you can take all this out, but I'm not going to bother showing you the paints because you know what you get. So, oh, look at this! I haven't seen one of these for years. Airfix Club joined today from $16.99. Well, I'll be. Might be just sending that off so I don't get any free kits. So just the basic decals on the paper there. You can see you've got 2 number plates. So you've got a 336 or 743D. Okay, that's all you get, but I'll put them to one side. Instructions. It's in over 2 pages. So I mean, it's quite a basic sort of showdown. It isn't, as you say, it's basically exploded view of what you need to do with this kit. Gives you the options, I suppose. I suppose you could even have it as without a roof, but it gives you the option for the roof. So basically, do the chassis. There's the gearbox. Discs and brakes. There's your wheels and your tyres. So yeah, it tells you your paint code as well. There's in the square boxes you've got 11 and 21. So yeah, it tells you these are Airfix Humbrol colours. As you see, you paint that 33, paint that 33. So what I suggest with this kit is that you actually paint it all first, or this section here. Which you can get away with, just try and paint it all, and then glue it all together. Some bits you don't glue by that symbol there. So yeah, very basic. And then so 1, 2, 3, and then the final bit, which is the colours, 33, 11, and 15. That's what you need to do the car. All right. Actually, there's more. Otherwise, but on the outside looks like you mix M3. We use M3. So there's the instructions. They're all right. I would have expected more of a step-by-step, but just feel your way through with that. And then we've got the kit itself. I found with these, the actual tooling is a little bit old. So you may find that, you may find that there'll be quite a bit of flash on this, but we'll just see and have a look. Open the bag up. Just carefully, oh, quite a few sprues on this one. There's your glass in there, your windshield or in your rear windscreen. Okay, and there's 2 bits there for your lamps. Let's get this close. So yeah, that one's done, and wow, a lot of sprues. So there's part of the chassis there. Just see how this fits. Yeah, quite a bit to look at here. I think, is it go that way or is it go the other way? Yeah, must go that way. Yeah, quite a bit of detail there. Some overshot, just some over bits. There's it's nice that they've actually put the logo, the branding of the car on the front there. That's quite nice. That's quite nice. There's your front there. Wheels. Your wheels will need a little bit of work doing to them, but there you go. That's not too bad. So the tires aren't rubber on this one, so you're gonna have to sort your tires out. And I'm a little bit worried here because I don't seem to have. I'm missing a piece. Oh no! Shock horror. No, so like it's in the bag. There's the other tyre. There's going to need a little bit of clean up, but not too much. You can see there's a lot of bleed or a bit of flash around these bits for the hubs. But other than that, it's a pretty good kit. Just going through the bits now. There's the... Oh, I see. There's your roof. You can either have a solid roof or you can have this canvas roof with the effect on there. It's a bit rough, that's smooth, that's rough, so you can choose which one you want. Yeah, there's your transmission, parts of the gearbox. There's your doors. That's the inside of your doors. That's quite nice. Handbrake. There's your fan, your radiator, part of the engine there, or the engine, I should say. But yeah, it's not bad. Nice bit of detail there for you to get yourself involved in. As I said, with rear exhaust, 2 of. Yeah, it's quite nice. That's quite nice as well, the way they've got the cam belt in that position there. That's quite nice. So yeah, I can't really say much more than that really about this kit. It's one I'm going to be building the next couple of weeks. I'm not doing it too soon, so I've got 3 on the go already. But yeah, it's worth having. There's your suspension bits there, which is all in one piece, it looks like. A couple of bits of flash, I think that's flash. A couple of bits of flash. Not a lot of press marks or anything. There's a few inside, but you won't see that anyway. It hasn't shone through. Not too many blemishes in that at all. Yeah, I reckon it's a really good kit. So that's the review of this. Again, I'll just go through again. It's the Triumph TR4A, scale 132. Part number is 50092. It's a starter kit, so you get your 6 paints that you need, which is number 11, 15, 19, 21, 33 and 70. I think the 19 is for your brake lights. But everything else is all that you need. Well, there's nothing else. It's all in the box. Right, so just a few little tools to help you do it. Other than that, it is a really, really good kit to buy. Recommended. So if you like this, please click like. Please comment below if you've done this kit. It'd be great to have a conversation about how you got on with it, any problems, any experiences. And if you can subscribe and share the video, that would be even great. Thank you so much, and see you in the next vid.